seafood lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of seafood shopping, and we've got some top tips to share with you. First and foremost, always remember to check the expiration date. Freshness is key when it comes to seafood, so make sure you're picking the best quality fish. Next, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask the fishmonger for more information. They're there to help, and they want you to enjoy your seafood. When it comes to storage, be sure to wrap your seafood in paper towels and place it in a container. This will help to absorb any excess moisture and keep your fish fresh for longer. Finally, don't forget to thaw your seafood properly. The best way to do this is to place it in the fridge overnight so it's ready to cook the next day.
Guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Billingsgate Market. Well, Billingsgate Market. Andun.
Give me one.
Yeah.
Brother. How much that?
Hala! Ano yan?
20, just smaller. Just smaller.
Kawawa naman yung shark.
Just shove it in the farms for longer. This kid gets
Scallops. So we're finished. We're gonna go home. I got my own fish. I got my lady's finger fish, asoos. So ayun na, pauwi na kami. So tapos na kaming mamili. Umuulan na. Kaya uuwi na kami. It's only 5 a.m. dito. Yeah, I will see you in the next vlog. That's all for today. That's it for today. So yun na nga guys, nagising kami ng 3:30. Umalis kami ng bahay ng 4. Nakarating kami dito ng 4:30 and now it's 5:15. It's 5:15 in the morning. Hello world! Kaya tapos na kami mamili, na makapamili na kami ng iba't ibang klase ng isda. Ngayon pauwi na kami. Kaya ayun lang. So thanks very much for watching. I will see you again next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.